How to delete a VPN profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on More Connection Settings. After click on More Connection Settings, click on VPN. After click on VPN, so if you want to delete VPN profile, so click on this plus icon. Click on the settings icon. After click on settings icon, if you want to delete, click on delete. After click on delete, you will see VPN profile is delete. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can delete a VPN profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.